market tendencies are repeating themselves. And of course, that's what we're looking for. Two-way trade. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S update for Tuesday, October the 12th. And what a wild morning it is. I'll tell you, it's been crazy. And coffee, anybody? As coffee explodes up $7 today, or 7 cents, but in the meantime, it is flying. And at the end of the day, it's what we expected. We're long it anyways. This update is brought to you by our friends and partners at Strategic Wealth Preservation. That's where I do all my shopping for physical metals. They have they can store, they can ship. It's up to you, but certainly check them out. It's at swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa, Charlie Alpha Yankee, Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-trading. In the meantime, right now, the Dow is down 65. The NASDAQ is down 22. S&P down 6. Russell up 65. By the time you get this, they could be in completely different prices. As I tell you, we're in that phase right now of a market that's going to move 20 to 25%, in my opinion. I believe it'll be down, but whichever way it goes, it's going to move fast, and you're seeing what we like to call two-way trade, up and down. Okay, so that's what we're watching. That's what we're looking for. In the meantime, the metals are flying a little bit today. They're a little higher. Okay, gold is popping. Up about $13. We are still short. Now, of course, that could change any day now, but right now, listen, this is really going to nowhere. Until it gets and closes above 1780, I don't think there's anything even to look at. And silver slightly higher, and we are also, we are long silver, short silver as well. Platinum we don't trade, but it's up about $7. Okay, and we would be long if we did trade it. The dollar is higher or long. Crude oil down. Crude has been about as crazy a trade as you can imagine. Okay, it has been up and down like a yo-yo. Okay, today's range in crude is about almost $2.50. Okay, and we just had a nice short in the day trading. And I mean, and we're still long it, and it's going higher. Bottom line, gold. As I said, gold. Let's see. Copper. Copper is slightly lower. We reversed to the long side this morning. Bitcoin's a little bit lower. Hey, it's going to come down. They don't go straight up. Markets do actually go in both directions. Believe it or not, hard to believe. Nat gas is lower, and we are short. We reversed the nat gas this morning as well. The bonds are soaring along with the notes. Now, again, they've been under a lot of pressure, so a rally is never a real surprise. Okay, you remember, learn to expect, not to be surprised. Okay, be prepared, not surprised. Okay, and I don't know if I missed anything. I can't remember. But in the meantime, we're having a dramatic windstorm here. In the meantime, the grain markets, big report coming out today at about noon Eastern. Right now, going into the report, corn, wheat, and beans are all lower. We are long wheat and short the other two. Pretty nasty, but just my opinion, for those who get this, that report is going to be bearish. But I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, they have overpriced the sell-off. The bears have overpriced what's going to happen. So we'll see what happens, but I would expect a bounce off of the number. Okay. In the protein complex, you got feeders are lower. You've got fats are lower. That's cattle, and hogs are lower. So we're only long hogs, but with the overall market across the board is lower. Okay, so we're short cattle and long hogs. And in the softs, I told you about coffee soaring. We are still long all the softs except OJ. But right now, cotton lower, coffee obviously exploding, sugar lower, cocoa lower, and of course OJ is lower. So we'll see. Look, everything looks okay right now. Okay, we're just chirping around, moving back and forth. Okay, and again, that's what we watch. Okay, we don't get too excited. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partners. And I do have many brokers, so again, it's not like these are the only ones, but the other ones I like best for what we do. And of course, for futures and commodities, it's the Capital Trading Group, or CTG. Great customer service, manage all my accounts, only letter of direction approval, have their own managed futures, and great service. Okay, check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, our other brokerage partner who is phenomenal in equities and options, that's Tradier. Okay. The first thing is $10 a month. That's the one thing that I can never get past, that people don't go for $10 a month. But again, that's up to you. It's your money. But I'd rather put my money in my IRA than give it to a broker. In the meantime, they've got great service. We've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your equity portfolio as a member at no charge. Hedgers have to pay for the software. But of course, that's because they take a class, not a membership. But in the meantime, either way, okay, there's no extra charge from Trader, and you get it done automated based on our records and numbers of what we tell you to do or what you want to do when you set up your own software. In the meantime, check them out. try.tradier.com/Bubba. That's try.tradier.com/Bubba. And of course, Family Farms, what a great group they are, and really great for farmers. Farmers, you got to check them out. FamilyFarmsGroup.com/Bubba-Trading. That's FamilyFarmsGroup.com/Bubba-Trading. And of course, our new advisory role with Chips, mychips.io. Okay, Michael Yankee, Charlie, Hotel India Papa Zulu.io. Okay, check them out. Great little new cryptocurrency that we're involved in. And of course, the commodity report, Andy Hecht. What can I tell you? Technomental. Check it out. If you're a commodities trader not reading this report with our algorithms, go see a doctor. Okay, BubbaTrading.com, Technomental. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. In the meantime, we had a nice winner last night, but not big on it. Just too many points. But what a crazy game! In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day.